to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make this pencil grip. So the things that you'll need for this video are rubber bands, of course, a glue, and a hook. If you can take out the middle pegs, it just makes it easier, but if you can't, that's fine. I'm going to use orange, blue, and white. So, first you want to take your first color, and then make a figure 8 right here. Then take the same color and make a figure 8, but it's on the second right one, and then put it to the second left. Then do the same thing, but it's down here. So you're going to put it to the second right peg. Then you're going to make a figure 8 across these two pegs, like that, so you kind of have a square. So now you're going to take your second color, and you don't have to make figure 8s this time. So make a square again. So first you're going to start off with 3 layers. Then we're going to do something a little different once we start hooking. Okay, now that you've made 2 squares, push them down, and then make another square with your third color. Make sure you do the bottom. Okay, after you're done, push them all down. And now we can hook. So first, you're gonna go down and get the 2 orange ones down at the bottom, and then you're going to take those and then you're going to so you're going to pull those up like this, so you're going to put them to the side. Then you're going to do the same thing on, like, right here. So like that. Then you're going to keep on doing that. Okay, actually grab one. Okay, now this I'm gonna do it right here. So here's what it should look like. Okay, so now you're gonna add another layer which is orange. And you're gonna make the square. And don't do the figure 8s. Just do it like you normally would. Once I do it 3 times, I will Then you're gonna grab the bottom ones, which are the blue ones, then pull them up like that. Then you're gonna do the same thing over here. And it's easy. And if it's easier for you, you can do one at a time. So it should look like this now. When you put it on the pencil, it's a little hard. So if the lead is like really long, like right here, if it's really long, break it so you can put the pencil grip on it. So when you add another layer, it's always the color right here. So I'm gonna add the blue now. Make sure you grab 4. It's just easier if you grab them. Now I'm gonna grab the white ones. So now, after I just do this last one, I'm gonna speed up my footage. But you can pause the video or just rewind it. So you can rewind it if you need these sections more times, and then you can just pause it if you know. Oops. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to speed up my footage. If it doesn't speed up, then I don't know. Okay. So, now I'm gonna end the grip because I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm just gonna finish up putting these beans. Okay, so this is how you end it. So you're gonna pull all these orange ones up, like the bottom ones, and you don't need to add another layer to do that. Okay, now it's just the blues. And that's just blue rubber bands on there. And there should be 2 on each peg. So, but if you don't have 2, that's fine. It'll probably stay. So first, you're gonna go on any peg. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna go on this one. Then you're gonna put it on your hook. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Then just go around your limb, getting the rubber bands. Make sure they fall off the peg. So mine's very small. So it looks like this now. Now you guys take your pencil, okay? Do this one down? Okay. So now you're gonna put your pencil through the bottom. And like pull it up till you see the lead sticking out like this. So after you do that, you're gonna like so you're gonna like turn your hook upside down, and then you're gonna like twist them, and then kind of just put them on the pencil, like this. So it's kind of hard, but yeah. So this is what it should look like. It can be as long as you want. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would be nice. And I hope you enjoyed this, like making the pencil bit. Anyways, bye.